Blank is a tactile reading and writing system and is the primary means of literacy for learners who are blind. What is this? Letter A, scaffolding. Letter B, Cuisenaire rods. Letter C, Braille. Or letter D, theme book. What is your choice? Alright, letter C. And of course, that is tumpak. No? So alam natin kung ano yung Braille, di ba? Yung merong mga nakaumbok na mga salita, no? Nakaumbok na mga symbols, hindi pala salita, na mga symbols no? Sa ating pong libro. That's your Braille, no? Which is used by people who cannot see. Okay? Now, of course, now when you say scaffolding is the general term. Okay? General term po siya. When you say scaffolding, any help that you give no, to your student, to your pupil, that is termed scaffolding. Of course, Cuisenaire rods natin, ito po siya, no? Ginagamit po siya sa pagturo ng math, okay? So, tactile din siya, no? Manipulative din siya. Yung theme books naman po natin, you have several books, of course, no? And they are within a certain theme. Kunwari ito, no? Healthy habits, okay? Caring for your teeth, doctors, watch out no? Around the town, germs, etc. Okay? So, meron kang tema, kumbaga, no? Meron kang specific topic.